Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be reviewing this little pouch signal blocker that I bought from Amazon. I know many of you have had concerns of how to protect your Honda GoldWing 2018 plus key fobs while you are stopping at a cafe or in your house. And many of you have concerns that how to protect your bike from being stolen. This little pouch is the answer to all your concerns. Let's get started and I will show you how this thing works. Thank you to all the new subscribers. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. So this little thing comes in two colors in this pack from Amazon. One is a black synthetic leather and the other is a I would say carbon fiber looking synthetic leather. I have my key fob inside, which is here. I'll take it out and show it to you. So my key fob for my GoldWing is here. There are two pockets in the signal blocker pouch, the front and the back one. The back one's here and the front one is here. The front one doesn't block the signal and it's used for, you can store your credit cards or you can store your key fob in my case. And I use the front one to store the key fob in it when I'm riding and the rear one in it when I'm not riding. So I'll show you how it is so here's the key. I'll put it in the rear one, and so the key is now in the rear pocket. The pack is locked. Keep the pack here. Try twisting the button and starting. You see it won't start. Alright, and now we will switch it on to the, okay, let's take the key fob out again. Here's the key fob. We'll put it in the front one. Okay, and close. It's now in the front one. You see the light has turned on, that means it's detecting. Let's turn it on. Yep, it's working. As you can see, the signal blocker pouch works very good and perfectly fine. I've been using this on a daily basis. The front pocket, I use it to store the key fob when I'm riding the motorcycle. The rear one, I use it when I stop at cafes or even when I'm at home to avoid anyone stealing the bike. So definitely I'll post the link below in description. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, take care, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.